Whimsical is a visual collaboration tool that promises to streamline your brainstorming and project planning. But does it truly deliver on that promise? Let's dig into its features and see if it lives up to the hype. Whimsical is designed to help teams visualize their ideas and workflows through a combination of flowcharts, mind maps, wireframes, and sticky notes. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to jump in and start collaborating. You can create visually appealing diagrams that help convey complex ideas in a simplified manner. The platform is particularly useful for remote teams as it enables real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to edit and comment simultaneously. One standout feature is the ability to create templates for recurring projects, which can save time and maintain consistency. However, some users might find that while it's great for visual brainstorming, it lacks depth in project management features. For those looking for a straightforward visual tool, Whimsical shines. But if your team needs more robust project tracking capabilities, you might find it lacking in that area. There are definitely some strong points with Whimsical. First off, the user-friendly interface makes it accessible for all team members, regardless of their tech savviness. The real-time collaboration feature is also a huge plus, especially for remote teams. However, there are some downsides to consider. Some users have noted that the customization options for templates are somewhat limited, which might frustrate those looking for more personalized designs. Additionally, while it excels in visual collaboration, it doesn't offer extensive project management tools, which could be a deal breaker for some teams. Pricing could also be a concern, as it may not be the most budget-friendly option for smaller teams or startups. If your primary focus is visual brainstorming, Whimsical might be perfect, but if you need a comprehensive project management solution, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Whimsical is a solid choice for teams that prioritize visual collaboration and brainstorming. It's user-friendly and facilitates real-time teamwork effectively. However, if your needs extend beyond visual tools to more complex project management, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying if you fit the target audience.